Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing here again. I wanted to talk to you today about one of the ways that we do things a little differently. Now there's a ton of contractors out there. Everyone has their own take on how to do things, so why us? Well, if you look over my shoulder here, what you'll notice is a rubber wheeled trailer. Now why is that special? Don't all trailers have rubber wheels? Well, yeah, we're not operating out of a horse and wagon here, but this is different because what you'll have from a lot of contractors is they'll actually just bring out a metal dumpster, dump it right on your driveway, potentially cracking your concrete, or they'll toss it in your yard, definitely killing your grass. Well, we don't want to see that happen to your property. We don't want to see that happen to your landscaping, right? So we pull this right up to the house as close as we can get it, where as much of that tear off that we're doing ends up right in that trailer, minimizing our cleanup and protecting your exterior belongings. So it's just nice to know one of the many ways that we do things a little bit differently to look at for you and your home when we're doing your roof replacement. Check out bluenailroofing.com for your next roofing replacement or to get a free inspection and make sure you're all in one piece. Thanks again.